Well, since NASA canceled the shuttle program, space travelers have had to rely on Russian technology to reach the International Space Station. Russia's monopoly comes with a price tag per trip in excess of $60 million. But at least 2 U.S. companies are working on technology that can ferry more than supplies to the ISS and that can also be used for multiple flights. CCTV's YaKenda McGahee reports.
Imagine the cost if passenger jets were single-use instruments. That is, after one takeoff and one landing, a 747, for instance, would have 0 use.
You'd only fly on that 747 once.
That's the challenge for the aerospace industry, and the reason why the price of spacecraft and space flight is, well, astronomical. But the recent unveiling of the Dragon V2 capsule by SpaceX,
that is how a 21st century spaceship should land.
Signaled that we're entering a new dimension of space travel.
This is extremely important for revolutionizing access to space, because as long as we continue to throw away rockets and spacecraft, we will never have true access to space. It will always be incredibly expensive.
Why do you think you're the only person doing this?
The truth is, he's not. Reusable technology is an industry-wide goal, one this smaller, lesser-known company, Xcore Aerospace, has been developing since 1999.
And we created a rocket engine that basically we think lasts pretty much forever. Traditionally, a rocket will wear out in a couple different ways. If you take a spoon and you bend it back and forth, it breaks.
So instead of using traditional rocket engine turbine pumps, which are destroyed in a couple of minutes, Xcore uses piston pumps, which last thousands of hours. All those innovations created the Lynx suborbital spaceplane, a craft the company says will ferry tourists and experiments to the edge of space and back 4 times daily. This is a full-scale mock-up of Xcore's suborbital spaceplane, the Lynx. And at 10 meters long with a 7-meter wingspan, this 2-seater travels at 1,000 meters per second plus. And the hope for Xcore is that it will be traveling for commercial spaceflight services by the year 2015.
So what will it cost for someone like myself?
So currently flights are being sold for $95,000 US.
That's it?
Yeah, $95,000.
What happened to the $250,000, the $500,000, the $1 million?
Well, we have some competitors that are charging $250,000, but we don't.
They don't have to, because their reusable technology has made the next space frontier more affordable and a bit cheaper. YaKenda McGahee, CCTV, Los Angeles.